Serial 11, Mr. Alok Kumar Alok.
Wait, please. The order dated 23/1/20, by which extension of time has not been granted to the petitioners, my lord.
Who had grant? Let us see the first order.
My lord. Kindly see Annexure 2, my lord.
Annexure 2.
My lord. At page number 18, my lord.
$40,000 नहीं जमा किया आपने?
नहीं जमा कर पाए हुजूर। पिटिशनर नंबर 2 को कैंसर हो गया हुजूर, और उसके बाद एक दिन गए पिटिशनर नंबर 1 तो उनका एक्सीडेंट हो गया। बट वी आर स्टिल रेडी टू मेक द पेमेंट, my lord. What I have already stated in para 10.
4 साल तक आपने नहीं, 4 साल तक नहीं किया। क्या जस्टिफिकेशन है हमारा? आई एम एब्सोल्युटली हेल्पलेस। you'll be required to surrender.
हम अभी भी देने को हुजूर, जो उसका होगा इन बिटवीन जो होगा हुजूर, हम जमा करने को तैयार हैं।
4 साल के बाद आप 40,000 रुपया जमा करेंगे। केस का स्टेज क्या हुआ? इन्वेस्टिगेशन कैसे चला?
सच्चाई ये है हुजूर कि कैंसर के हम पेशेंट हो गए हुजूर, और
कैंसर का कौन सा कागज लगाया है? कहाँ लिखा है? कौन सा कागज लगाया है? किस स्टेज ऑफ कैंसर से सफर कर रहे हैं? नहीं, पिटीशन में कहाँ लगाया?
पिटीशन में लगाया नहीं हुजूर, लेकिन कहा है कि ही वाज सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर, मिलर। और लोअर कोर्ट में भी मेरा यही है सर।
केवल 40,000 रुपए जमा करने थे, सरकारी पैसे का
उसका
गबन था।
इंटरेस्ट भी हम देने को हुजूर तैयार है, जो भी कहा जाएगा हुजूर, क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट भी हम दे देंगे हुजूर।
तो आप एफिडेविट दीजिए, वी विल ब्रिंग दैट।
मेरा ये लिखा दिया जाए हुजूर।
कैसे लिखा दें? ब्रिंग दैट डॉक्यूमेंट ऑन रिकॉर्ड व्हिच विल शो दैट यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर व्हिच प्रिवेंटेड यू फ्रॉम डिपॉजिटिंग द मनी फॉर 4 लॉन्ग ईयर्स।
दिस इज द रिपोर्ट।
मैं कहता हूं कि आप रिपोर्ट जमा करिए वंस यू सरेंडर बिफोर द कोर्ट बिलो, इंस्टेड ऑफ रिव्यूइंग दैट ऑर्डर। वी से दैट इफ यू डिपॉजिट 40,000 rupees subject to what is the stage of the case, we don't know.
No, this is the position, my lord, ki of course 40,000 rupees was there, and I am still ready to
your oral
make
statement would do nothing. Let us see what is the nature of a illness. And this order also has been passed in 13/23/2020.
Just thereafter I have filed, my lord, in 2020 itself, my lord, and till date today this is the case. This case is being taken up.
ये आप गलत बोल रहे हैं ना। ये PSA टेस्ट है जिसमें इंडिकेट प्रोस्टेट कैंसर नहीं है। Everybody after the age of 40 would be having this. It's most, as a result, the serum PSA levels are good indicators of tumor in the prostate. That's all. It's not carcinogenic.
No, the medical aspect I can't say.
No. Go and surrender.
Of course, I am ready to surrender, my lord. I am also ready to make the payment, my lord.
We will say that once you surrender, the
no,
court will
then
consider.
we will send behind the bars, my lord.
Yes.
Some protection be given. Even I am ready to make the interest also, my lord. I am ready to make the payment of interest too, my lord.
Look,
due to unavoidable circumstances, my lord, thereafter corona arose, my lord.
The petitioner was granted anticipatory bail by the learned Sessions Judge Muzaffarpur by order dated 3/8/2015 in Sakara PS case number 145 of 2015, which was registered for offences under section so-and-so, subject to the condition that the petitioner deposited the amount of rupees 40,000 which he was alleged to have withdrawn fraudulently from the bank. The petitioner did not deposit the aforesaid amount for good 4 years and thereafter approached the court below for extending the time for surrendering before the court for seeking bail, which request was turned down. Appellant counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner was suffering from prostate cancer and was also prevented by the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic in depositing the money in time. First up, to demonstrate his bona fide, the petitioner is ready to deposit 50,000 under protest and subject to his rights and obligations later in this case for the purposes of grant of anticipatory bail to him. First up, considering the aforesaid submission of the petitioner, this court is inclined to modify the order dated 3/8/2015 after setting aside the order refusing to modify the same by the court below by the order dated 23/1/2020. First up, the order dated 23/1/2020 is set aside. The order granting bail, the order dated 3/8/2015, order dated 3/8/2015 granting bail to the petitioner is modified to the extent that if the petitioner deposits an amount of rupees 50,000 within a period of 4 weeks, subject to his rights under protest and subject to his rights and contentions later, he shall be released on bail on his furnishing bonds in the sum of rupees 10,000 with 2 sureties of like amount.
Two petitioners are there. Two petitioners are there.
Petitioners कर दीजिए. The petition stands disposed of accordingly, allowed and disposed of accordingly.